And he's afraid of water. She swims so well, but still, she's afraid of water. So she won't go near the sea. Not me. He's afraid of darkness. She sleeps and all, but still, she's afraid of darkness. So when the lights are out, she has to hold my hand. I don't understand. I'm not afraid of anything, be it mountains, water, dragons, dark, or sky. I'm not afraid of anything. Tell me, where's the challenge if you've never tried? So watch me fly. I'm not afraid. Daddy's afraid of babies. Not for me, but now he's afraid of babies. Yes, he's scared of what they'll be. Not me. Mama's afraid of crying. She tries to hold it in. She's afraid of crying. And she can look at me with tears stuck in her eye. And I don't know why. I'm not afraid of anything, be it growing old or going out of style. I'm not afraid of anything who would give up what they want without a try. Another mile, I'm not afraid. And I hear the calling of adventure, and I feel the ringing in my ear. The lights are glaring, trumpets blaring, I'm right here. And I feel the calling of tomorrow, and I feel the stirring in my bones, and David loves me. He's afraid to hold me. Listen to the calling of excitement. Can you feel the pounding in my heart? The lights are ready, pulse is steady, I can't stop. Never stop the calling of a challenge. The last thing on the water and the stones, and David loves me. He's afraid to tell me. David loves me. He's afraid to trust me. He's afraid to hold me. He'll always be. He's afraid of me. And I'm not afraid of anyone. I'm sure to win with anyone at all. I'm not afraid of anyone. No soul alive can get behind this wall. So let them call and watch them fall. 'Cause after all, I am not